Welcome to House of Accounts. In this video we are going to see the non-profit organization. If you like the video, if you want more video regarding non-profit organization question, you can go to the House of Account playlist. Okay, so here we will go to see okay, we have question number, it's a fifth. Okay, so let's make it large. Alright, see, let's start the question. Kakatiya Friends Clubs give you their receipt and payment account. So they have given us receipt and payment account. It's also known as cash book and other information, and request you to prepare their income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2007 and balance sheet as on the date. Receipt and payment is given. Additional information: opening balance for building means last year building, okay, 20,000. Investment 50,000. Outstanding subscription means we have to receive outstanding subscription means small donations, that is 6,000. Value of investment sold was how much? Investment sold 45,000. Outstanding subscription at the end how much? 500. So what we have to do is we have to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet, closing balance sheet. For that purpose we need to prepare opening balance sheet also. Okay, let's go to income and expenditure account. Okay, Kakatiya Friends Club as on 31st December March 2007. So right here, Kakatiya Club, okay, as on 31st March 2007. Now what we have to do is, first let's see the expenditure account. Okay, expenditure side. Expenditure means payment. All the payment entries will come in expenditure only. Okay, first how much salary is paid? 20,000. So right here salary expenses is 20,000. Salary expenses. Now the next is building is 55. Building is assets, we will see it later. Investment purchase 20,000, we will see it later. Printing 22,000. Printing is a expenses, so right here 22,000. Okay, now next general expenses 4,000. So right here general expenses 4,000. Okay, so next after general expenses, okay, see balance, this balance are the closing balance, this balance is the opening balance. This is known as cash because receipt and payment is also known as cash account. So opening and closing. Subscription is income. Okay, let's come to here. Balance is the opening cash balance. Subscription how much? 90,000 received. So right here subscription. Okay, let's do one thing, let's draw for detail column also. Okay, subscription is 90,000. So right here 90,000 subscription. Okay, 90,000, it is 90,000 subscription. Okay, now after subscription, donations how much? 80,000. Okay, so donation is a 80,000. Donation is a huge amount. It is not mentioned here that donation are capitalized or something, but donation are huge amount. Okay, so it's little donation, definitely we will keep it we will take here, but this donation is a huge amount, so we have to take in balance sheet. Now sale of investment 42. Okay, sale of investment we will see about this investment. Then interest how much? Because investment is a asset, so interest 10,200. First take the interest directly outside. 10,200 is interest. Now what we have to see, we have to calculate the interest. Okay, investment, value of investment sold was 45,000. Sale of investment how much? 42,000. And value of investment sold how much is given? 45,000. Okay, whatever the investment sold, that value is 45, but this 45,000 investment, we have sold 42, means 3,000 is a loss. Okay, so 45,000 minus 42,000. Okay, so 3,000 is a loss of investment. 3,000 is a loss of investment. If there is a profit, we have to write here, but there is a loss, we have to write on expenditure side. Now let's go to the additional information. Opening building, building is assets, investment is also assets. Outstanding subscription means this is a last year subscription. So whatever the last year subscription also, so here is not mentioned which year subscription, means last year, current year, next year, every year subscription is totally 90,000. So what we have to do is these 6,000 subscription, it is related to last year. Okay, so we have to deduct here because it is belong to last year. Okay, so right, take here minus last year subscription. How much last year subscription? 6,000. Okay, what we have to do is, let's go value of investment sold 45,000. Outstanding subscription means, outstanding means pending. So current year there is a subscription which is pending. Okay, so current year outstanding. Okay, so current year outstanding, how much outstanding? It's 500. So what we have to do is take this subscription into bracket. So what we have to do is, now after deducting 6,000, 84,000, now add 500, so 84,500 will be the answer for outer column. So all the entries are over. So now calculate the surplus. See, 80,000, 90,000, 94,700. So right here 94,700. Here, come here. Okay, what we have to do is, we have to calculate. Let's see on calculator. 94,700 minus 22 and 20 means 42,000 minus 4 and 3 7,000. 45,700. How much? 45,700. See here, surplus 45,700. So we got 45,700. Okay, so this one also 94,700. Now let's start go for opening balance sheet. Okay, there is a cash. Let's start from receive and payment to balance brought on. Receive and payment is also known as cash book. So balance brought on means last year cash is there 3,800. So right here cash is 3,800 of last year. Okay, now see, donation, overall donation it is overall subscription, it is subscription. Donation, we have received donation, but this is for current year, belong to current year, so don't take in opening balance sheet. Sale of investment is also there, so just don't take this one in opening balance sheet. Opening is last year. Interest we have received this year only, current year. Salary belongs to this year. Buildings belongs to building purchase 1,55,000. This is also belongs to current year. Investment purchase also belongs to current year. Printing general expenses we have taken already. Balance means closing cash balance, that will come in closing balance sheet. Now opening balance is building 20,000, investment how much? 50,000, subscription 6,000. So right here building 20,000 for building, and investment, how much investment? 50, then our subscription 60. So right here investment 50,000 and subscription is 6,000. Okay, so what we have to do is just take on up, stay there. Now here how much? 6,000 subscription. So all the entries are over. So write 20, 50, 70, 76, 79,800. See here it's not given, so right here 79,800. So write 79,800, and the capital fund also same 79,800. Total balance 79,800. Now go for closing. For before that, capital fund be here. Okay, so I'm writing detail column. Okay, so first take the capital fund 79,800, then add surplus. Okay, surplus, how much surplus we got? 45,700. so right here this one 45,700. okay, overall we have to write here. Okay, so we will do it later. Now before that, let's see from starting. Balance we have already taken. This is opening balance sheet. Subscription also taken. Donation we have not taken, so 80,000. so right here donation how? 80,000. so right here 80,000. okay, next after donation, sale of investment is 42. we will see it. okay, interest how much? 10,200. okay, now salaries we have taken. Building 1,55,000. okay, so building is how much? 1,55,000. so there is also opening building also there. we have not sold this building. okay, so building how much? 1,55,000, and opening building 20,000. so overall right here building is 20,000, opening, then plus purchase how much? 1,55,000. 1,55,000. okay, this is a purchase of building. okay, investment purchase. see, opening investment how much? 50,000. so purchase investment is 20,000. opening is 50, purchase is 20, sale is 40, and value of sale 45,000. so remaining amount we have to write. so how much? opening is 50 and purchase investment is 20. so right here in investment column, where it is here. okay, take these amounts okay, right here investment is how much? opening is 20,000 plus purchase how much? purchase is 20,000, opening also 20,000, opening 50,000, sorry, opening is 50,000 and purchase is 20,000. okay, and sale right here minus sale is how much? 45,000. how much value we have sale of investment? whatever the investment we have sold, that investment value is 45,000. so deduct this amount. okay, so we'll do it later. now let's see after investment. Printing we have taken, general expense also we have taken. Balance is 5,000. okay, balance means cash balance, so right here in cash 5,000 directly outside. okay, after going for that, this is the opening balance, which call mean opening only. Value of investment we have taken. Outstanding subscription 500. see, outstanding means we still have to receive the subscription, so these also write in balance sheet. Outstanding subscription is 500. so right here outstanding subscription 500. Okay. All right. Now, okay, so all the entries are over. So let's calculate this one. Closing balance sheet. The overall investment is 1,75,000. 1,75,000. Okay, and this one, from 50 45 remove 5,000. 5,000 plus 520 25,000. Okay, here add these two. 45,700 plus 79,800. Overall 1,25,200. So right here 1,25,000. Sorry, it's 700. 500. 25,500. So add this amount 80,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh 5,500. So write 2 lakh 5,500. Let's see whether we are getting 2 lakh 5,500. So right here also, first check whether it is correct or not. So 5,000 plus 1,75,000 plus 25,000 plus 500. So it's 2 lakh 5,500. Right here 2 lakh 5,500. Okay, so this is how we have to do closing balance sheet. Okay, this is opening balance sheet, which we have to take all the entries relating to last year only. This is a income and expenditure account. It is also known as profit and loss account. Okay, for question number 5 here. If you like the video, if you want more question, go to House of Accounts, subscribe it, go to House of Accounts. There is a playlist of non-profit organization. Okay, so where you can find more question relating to non-profit organization.